Hey everyone, I'm Emily and this is
Anna.
And this is Mia. We're here today in the woods because we are going to be doing
Nature bracelets.
nature bracelets.
And nature bracelets is where we put nature on our bracelets, and at the end we have pieces of magic on our wrists.
So as you can see, we both have a piece of tape rolled around our wrist, sticky side out, and we're going to be walking through the woods and through the park where we are today, and we are going to be sticking little bits of magic, as Anna said, on our bracelets, and at the end we should have a beautiful, colorful, nature-inspired collage on our wrists. So why don't you come along and join us as we go for a walk and have a little fun. All right, we are finished with our walk, and as you can see, our bracelets are full. Can you show your bracelet? So Anna, what was your favorite thing that you found on our walk kind of outside?
I would probably say I would have two favorites.
Two favorites? What are they?
I would say the beads and then the flowers.
The flowers. They do add such beautiful color.
I can take one off to show. I'll take one off to show you.
Oh, what color is your flower?
Blue.
Blue. It was really interesting to find because when we first got into the woods and on our walk, we noticed that everything kind of looked brown and the same color, so we weren't really expecting to find much but dead leaves. And then as we started looking closer, we started to find these beautiful shaped leaves, and we found all of these little buds that were coming. We found the ginkgo leaves. We found mini pine cones, and everything started to take on these different textures and shapes. So it was really fun to start noticing within sort of the things that looked the same on the outside, to start to find the little bits that were magical. Anna, what do you think of this project? Was this a fun thing? Fun thing to do?
I would say this was pretty fun that I could do with my mom and my dad and my little sister, which she was in the care the entire time.
Yes.
We showed her in the first one, but she's been really nice, and I think we had a really good time on this one.
Yeah.
We're doing the 100-day project. See you again tomorrow. And if you want to check in, look on the video on
Facebook
and Instagram. Facebook and Instagram.
I love you.
See ya. See you tomorrow.
Peace out.
Peace out.